Welcome back, friends. On this video, we're going to be doing a general service on my Echo string trimmer. This specific trimmer's model number is SRM230. We're going to be using the Echo's maintenance kit here. It comes with a spark plug, fuel filter, and air filter. And we're also going to grease the trimmer head on it. Okay, and the only tool we need is the multi-tool that comes with your trimmer. If you don't have one of these, we just need a flat or Phillips head screwdriver and a spark plug wrench. So we're gonna start with the spark plug here. That's a little dirty, so we're gonna change that. Do the air filter next. We're just gonna remove this wing nut. That comes off. There's the old air filter. Throw that away. New air filter in. We'll do the fuel filter. Just pull that cap off. Okay, first we're gonna get rid of the old gas in it. Okay, got rid of that. We'll move that out of the way before we spill it. And then we just have to try the gas line, pull that filter out. Okay, so we just use a curved tool with a hook on it to grab a hold of the gas line, pull the filter up. And then I like to needle nose vice grips on it to hold it from falling back in. And then we just need to get that filter off there. Pull that old filter off. Get our new filter. Push that on over it. New filter's on. Put it back in the tank. And then we'll just fill it with fresh gas. Okay, we have the filter changed, fresh gas in it. Put our cap back on. Now we're down at the trimmer head, and this is you can either use a Phillips or flat-headed screwdriver. Take that screw out, and then this is the grease that I use for my chainsaw bar. And then I just give it a few pumps. Reinstall our screw. So that was the basic service for your trimmer. Mine specifically was the Echo trimmer, and my kit was specific to this model trimmer. Just make sure you have the right spark plug and filters for your trimmer, and it's pretty much the same. Let me know what you think. Just getting the channel started. We're starting to get some views, but we're not getting the subscribers. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.